Meanwhile, the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway Corporation is reviving plans to add a new ramp to its new toll bridge.
The Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway or CCLEX will sooner or later have a ramp that will provide access to the new toll bridge linking Cebu to Mactan for motorists from N. Bacalso Avenue and Virame Avenue in Barangay Guadalupe. Already, there are plans to hold a groundbreaking ceremony for the ramp this month of November, according to published report. The report said that the move to revive plans to build the Guadalupe ramp was confirmed by Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway Corp President and General Manager Alan Alfon. The CCLEX expects that construction of the ramp will cost between 2 to 3 billion pesos. Alfon also revealed that the CCLEX engineers are coming up with plans that will ensure only a few houses of informal settlers will be affected by the project.
The CCLEX is turning out to be quite a tourist attraction for Cebu while providing another accessible route for motorists travel from Cebu to Mactan and vice versa. Another ramp would only add to this accessibility.